What's going on, YouTube? So today we have a dead battery on this Escalade. Key fob's not unlocking it again because the battery's dead. So I'm gonna show you how to unlatch the hood real quick since we can't open it from the inside. Again, this is on a 2004 Escalade. Works from 2002 to 2006. See if I can get you guys in there. Okay, so that's the latch right there that you guys have to hit. Stick a screwdriver in here. Get you guys to see. Okay, so this one right here, this is the latch you're gonna want to push that way. Okay. Screwdriver there. Pop this one there like that, and the hood unlatches. Voila.